Hello everyone, it's Ryan from Codeless. Today, I'll guide you through our AI dashboard designed for Bubble. This tutorial aims to assist you in the setup process and offer a brief demonstration of its functionality. Upon entering our application, you'll find that it's already configured with the necessary API keys. I'll include a link in the description directing you to the documentation for adding these API keys. Additionally, I've prepared comprehensive documentation outlining the setup process, which I'll cover in this video. For a detailed, step-by-step tutorial, you can refer to the documentation provided. Upon entering, the initial display reveals various categories within our interface. These include tools categorized for programming, written content, business, personal, and more. By default, these categories are set for demonstration purposes. You have the flexibility to assign different categories to different tools based on your preferences and requirements. Let me demonstrate how this operates. We'll focus on the Fix Grammar tool. Simply input a sentence with incorrect grammar, hit the Generate button, and observe the results. I'll enter one example for now. Alright, the process is quite swift, and we receive a well-crafted response with the corrected grammar. It's worth noting that we have the option to customize the API by adjusting the temperature, yielding varied responses based on the configured parameters. Additionally, if desired, we can copy the corrected text to the clipboard for future use. To initiate the setup process, navigate to the editor. Upon purchasing the template, you'll gain access to the entire template. However, the crucial aspect lies in understanding how to configure it effectively. I'll guide you through the steps to ensure a seamless setup. To begin the configuration process, navigate to the Data tab within the editor. Proceed to App Data and then select All Tools. Here, you'll encounter various tools, each corresponding to a tool displayed on the front end. Now, let's delve into the setup for a specific tool, such as YouTube tags. The elements you need to configure include the name, which is the information displayed at the top when you click on the tool. Now Mini Description provides a brief overview of what the tool does. Icon is to visually represent the tool like the image or icon that will show at the tab of the tool. In Category, you can choose from the previous categories or create a new one for classification. Here the example part showcases when you click the example tab in the tool dashboard and result displays the result of the example prompt you've set up. Simply click on Create a new tool and you've successfully set up a new tool. Now, let me give you a sneak peek behind the curtain. In the back end, everything is structured around the OpenAI API, neatly broken down into text generation. You'll see the API key section here. When you get the template, just replace the placeholder with your API key, formatted as bearer and a space, and you're all set. I have also attached the links in the description that give a step-by-step guide to integrate API and setting up template. Also, if you want any customization, I can provide you. Just email me. You can find my email in description. The landing page, as evident here, serves as an excellent introduction to the product's offerings. It functions as a customizable canvas, allowing you to tailor it to your specific preferences. Whether you're aiming for a niche MVP for your AI product or a more comprehensive approach, this template accommodates your needs seamlessly. Let's dissect the page breakdown. It features various tabs, coupled with a built-in navigator that effortlessly directs users to different sections like Home, Features, Pricing, and more. This adaptability empowers you to shape the template in alignment with your unique vision. Clicking on Sign Up will lead you to the Sign Up page. This page is also fully built with Login, creating a new account and Forgot Password section. I'm already logged in with Use Demo for Template for previewing purposes, but if you weren't, don't worry, the template has a fully functional Sign Up page ready to roll. Explore the planning and billing sections to gain insight into the various pricing packages included with the template. Keep in mind that these are default settings, but the beauty lies in the customization options available to you. Whether you prefer 2, 3, 5 pricing tiers, or you wish to delve into hyper-specific details, the flexibility is entirely within your control. Tailor the pricing structure to your heart's content and align it precisely with your business model and goals. I have also attached the links in the description that give step-by-step guide to integrate API and setting up template. I am also giving you a 20% discount on the template that you can avail by using the coupon code in the description. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. Now go ahead, explore the tool, get creative with the template, and enjoy making some cool things. That's it for now. Catch you later.